I'm Nathan Schiermeyer, Maintainer's Director of Product Development and Reliability, and I'm here to answer some questions regarding crane remotes. To adjust the minimum and maximum output for each crane function on the Maintainer remote, you have to enter the service mode, press both the red and the green button, release the red and then the green. Using the up and down, we'll cycle to the different menu pages. You'll go over to run in calibration mode. You'll press the green button twice to confirm it. Press or release the E-stop as it calls out. Once it connects, it will ask you for the Maintainer password. For the password, you'll have to call Maintainer customer support to get the password. To enter the password, the buttons are laid out as button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Once you have successfully entered the password, the first screen is for function 1. Function 1 is the top left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the 8 crane functions. On the minimum setting, when you are pressing button 1, the first click will display the minimum. If you push it farther, it goes to maximum, and the output settings are there. So to set the minimum setting, you press and hold the first button to minimum, and then the air compressor and crane flood, the function buttons, raise and lower that value. So you can adjust that minimum setting. If you want to adjust the maximum, press the button fully and it adjusts the maximum, and then again the crane flood buttons are up and the air compressor functions are down. To do a different button, you press and hold button 2, and then it sets the minimum and maximum. So you can do that for each function as you need. You can do this live, or you can do it with hydraulics disabled. It comes standard disabled, but if you want to do this with the truck running, so you can verify as you go that the speeds are where you want them, if you press both the air compressor and crane flood, that toggles from enable to disable on the hydraulics setting. When you're complete with the crane functions that you needed to adjust, simply press the red button and then relink the crane remote.